Hello everyone, my name is Damian from DKBrickStudios, and today I'll be showing you how to build my Klingon Bird of Prey. So before we get started, let's let the intro roll and we'll get started with this, shall we let? Alrighty, so here we are, and here it is, my Klingon Bird of Prey. So before we get on into this, check out DK Film Podcast. That'll be episode 3. That'll be coming out later this week. Also, check out the other episodes that we have out. I would highly recommend checking that out. No, not episode 3 actually. Episode 4. My bad. Recording all this in advance, so I have to, I have to play 4D chess. But again, back to the quick intro stuff. Also, check out my socials. Link to those. Well, also check out hit that subscribe button if you like what you see here. We'll be doing more Star Trek as time goes on, and you have to check out the Muck Spotlight list. That's also important. If you have not checked that out, I would highly recommend checking that out. So, now, let's take a quick look at the model, and then we'll get started with this, shall we? So, here's the front view, the back view, the left view, the right view, bottom view, and last but not least, the top view. So yeah, let's get started with this, shall we? Let's. Alrighty, so we're going to need a plate, brick 1x3 slope, 2x3 slope, two 2x6 bricks, right? A 2x6 and a 2x8, a tile 2x12, a plate 2x6 and a 2x12, and another one for the bottom. Alrighty. I'm trying to find it. I'm trying to remember where that one thing is I need to go to is, and found it. That will start off like that. Okay. A brick 2x6 will go right here. And a brick 2x8 will follow up right behind there. Now we just need a slope. Inverted 2x3. That will go there. Okay, that's the 2x12 and that's the 2x6. Alright. So the 2x6 will attach on right here. And the 2x12 will connect right behind that. Should be placed right behind there. So that's the basis of the Klingon Bird of Prey. So we need a 2x12, another 2x12. Two slopes 1x2. Along with another 2x6. That's a 2x12, right? Yes, that is a 2x12. Two slopes inverted 1x2 and a 4 triple slope inverted. There's the 2x6 to go right here. Is it right? Okay, I'm just trying to make sure I remember exactly where this 2x12 needs to go. It needs to go right here. And then we need two slopes, 1x2, 2x2 inverted. Like so. That goes there. This goes here, and then slope inverted. No, wait, it's in wedge. Here that is. And that's how that should look like so far. And we're going to need two left and right plates, 1x2. 1x3, and a plate 1x2. So let's start off with the plate. 1x2, that will go right in there. wedge plate, and this will go 1, 2, and then on the other side 1 and a 2, like that, and that's how that should look like so far. Okay, we're going to need a plate 2x2 and then a plate 1x4 and 2 wedge plates 1x3. 2x3, I mean. So this will go here. Plate 1x4 will go there, and then we need 2 wedge plates. Let me just double check that is the way it should look. Yep, okay, that's how that should look like so far. Okay, now we're going to need 2 more wedge plates and a orange plate as well. So let's add these. Hang on, wait, actually, do we also need a 1x4? We also need another 1x4 as well. So let's not forget about that 1x4. Very important piece for some detailing right there, you know? Help with the shape, you know? This will go here, and then we need orange 1x2, and we'll go right here. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this is the deflector shield on the ship. Again, if I'm not mistaken, I'm not entirely sure off the top of my head, but we need a tile 1x2, 2x6, and 2 1x1 plates. This and this go here. Okay, yes. This will plop right there, and then we just need a tile 1x2. The first tile actually on this model, would you believe that? I keep clicking the wrong one. That's how that should look like so far. So now we're going to need wedge plates 4x2 and wedge bricks, and then a round plate 1x2. Round tile, 1x2. Okay, that side connects to there. Okay, perfect. Fetch that there. This here. That goes there, and then a tile round. I said round. Will go right on top of that, like so. And that is the front portion of the Klingon Bird of Prey all done. Now we'll be working on the neck, on the support on the neck, on the back section. Alrighty, so we're going to need a tile 2x4, tile 2x2, round plates, round corners 4x4, and 2 4x8s. If I'm not mistaken, yes, 4x8s. Tile, we'll start with the tiles. Tile 2x4. Tile 2x2, and then we need round plates. We need this one to go here, and this one going here. Wait, there's something else actually it seems like we need to add. A plate 2x8 is what we also need. Luckily that'll be the first one we have to attach on before we... Let me actually make sure that's a 4x. But It's a 2x8 there. I'm just trying to understand here. Hmm. Five. Okay, looks like I added the wrong piece on there. Instead of a 2x6, my bad, that has to go here. That's here. It needs to be a 2x8. This is why I try to make sure I get the right pieces. There are times that slips through the crack, you know. And then we add the 4x8s right here, like so. This is the beginning of the back part of the ship. Okay, I clicked like too far ahead. Oh my God, can we just not be clicking on steps? Okay, so we need 4 slopes 1x2, plate 1x2, 2x2 slopes, 2x2, 1x2, and a 2x6. And let's actually do the slopes first. Yay, so we do that here, this here, and this here, and then we just need a plate, we need a brick, 1x2, not, I don't know if you heard that, but my stomach just growled, so sorry if you heard that. Apparently I have not eaten yet, and I should at some point. Oh, lunch. I should eat probably something soon. So that's the basis that we have so far for back. We're going to need slope 1x2, brick 1x1, and 2 more 2x6s. Two. If I'm not mistaken, though, that and this go here. And we need slope 1x2 here and here, like so. And that's how that should look like so far. We're going to need 6 more slope 1x2s. 2 plates, 2 bricks 1x1, and 4 slopes of 2x2x2. It's the long slopes, just to make you guys, help you guys understand, because I put out a number of numbers there. You come out, you go there. I need a brick. 1x1 here and here. And then we just need to go and grab in dark bluish gray slopes. Here we go, 2x2x2s. Let me grab the right one. It's getting me it's being upset that I grabbed the wrong one. I might as well grab the right version. These just go on like so. Okay, so now we need 2 bricks 2x4, plate tile 2x4, 2 tiles 2x4, and 2 tiles 1x1. Oh yeah. Okay, add the tile first. This goes here, then this goes there, and then we need the 1x1s like that, and then we just add bricks 2x4. One will go here, and one will be slated right there. So that's how that should look like so far. We need 2 bricks 2x2, 2x6 and corner bricks 1x2x2. A brick 1x1 and a 2x6. My bad, I misspoke for the type of brick we were going to be needing. And yeah, this is a bit of a brick heavy build, but hey, it's, it is what it is, Hopefully, there are the corner plate bricks, and then we need to plop these two in there, like so. And that is the beginning of the back. We need 2 tiles, 2x4, and 2 corner plates, 1x2x2. This and this go here. You to go here, and you to go here, like that. And that's how that should look like so far. And we need 2 trans-red plates, slopes 2x2, and 2 tiles 1x1. Trying to bring the screen here because apparently somehow I decided to go a little darker than I would have liked it to. Maybe because I have auto brightness on. I don't know. I'm still getting used to the new machine, to the new computer I have. Speaking of which, hopefully the more recent videos seem to be better of quality at least, because you can thank my new computer for that. It doesn't want to kill me when I'm doing this. So yeah, that's how the back should look like so far. We're going to need a tile 1x8, a tile 1x2, and gray, 2 light bluish gray and 2 in green, and 2 bricks 2x2 in light bluish gray and green. We attach the 1x8 here, and let me make sure I remember the order. Okay, so the closer to the back is the 2x2 of the gray. Okay. So this and this go. Not there, but there-ish. 1x2 is attached on like so. And then we just do the same thing, but opposite-wise in green. So that's how that should look like so far. Oh wait, also, we need a tile plate 1x4, tile 1x4, 3, and a tile 1x1. So 1x1s will go here, and then 1x3s will go here and here, like so. And that's how that should look like so far. And now we just need the tile and tiles 2x2 and 2x4, 2x4 and 1x2, 2x2 and 1x2 in the same location that we have the rest of the stuff in. So this and this go here. This and this go here. Ignore that. And now the 1x2s go here, here, like so. And that's how that should look like so far. Ignore that again. Now what we're going to be doing from here is we're going to be working on the wings. Okay, so we're going to need 2x2, 1x2, with clips and bars, and we'll be needing 4 of each. And then once we do that, I'm going to go back and we're going to make it, I'm going to get the hinge right for this. That goes there. This and this go here. And then we need clips. 1 and 2. And then on the other side, 1 and 2, just like so. That's how that should look like so far. Wait, while I'm in this step, hang on, before I forget, this needs to be at 315, and this needs to be at what degree? 315. Alrighty, perfect. Main 1-5. Oh, I don't know if you were able to hear the sound of tape being rolled, but that is just because I am moving. At the moment of me recording this, I might be at my new place by the time this goes up. I might not be. I don't exactly remember the precise timeline, but don't worry, videos will be going up after I get settled in and all that. While I get settled in and get things squared away. But don't worry, videos will still keep coming up. That's why I said I'm doing this all in advance. Okay, so now what we're going to need is what is this? An 8x8 a wedge plate, a 2x2, and a 2x3 as well is what we'll be needing. Okay, so, no wait, plate wedge. Here she is. That is what's making up the back of the Klingon Bird of Prey. That goes there, like so, and then, okay, perfect. Okay, it needs to be under the wing, remember. It needs to go under the wing. This goes under the wing, just remember that. That's how that should look like so far. Okay, we're going to need 2 wedge plates, 2x4, left and right, and a tile, and 2 plates 1x2. 1x4, I mean. So I'm going to first add the 1x4 plates on here. And then we're going to go and add the wedge plates. Oh no, that's not supposed to go there. And could this one cooperate with me? That would be epic. Okay, that's not cooperating with me. And that go on like that. And that's how that should look like so far. Alright, so we're going to need a quarter plate 1x2, 2x2, and a wedge plate 4x4 on the as well in red. Don't forget, we're going to need that in red. In the upcoming set of steps, we're going to be also needing a lot more red, so don't worry. So, yeah. Okay, that goes there. I'm going to zoom in on this one so you can see properly. I'm going to screw it. And that goes right there like so. Kind of give you a side angle. That's how that should go on. Like that. It should go on like that. As you can see here. And now we need... Okay, that just goes right under there. Okay, perfect. No need for me to really have to figure out exactly where. So yeah. And I'll show you exactly where this is supposed to go in a bit closer detail. It goes on right about, not there, there. It goes on like that. And then we just move you over. And that goes on just like that. So that is how that should look like so far. Okay, now onto the actual wing. I'm going to do this in the light side so you can see a bit better. So we're going to need to plate one tile 1x4 to 3 green 1x1 tiles, along with 2 red 1x2 tiles. Tile 1x1 is then a 1x2 and a 1x3. One 1x2 in green, the other one in gray, and red. I mean, yeah. Alright, so we're going to start off. And this is actually pretty close to, if not exactly, the design that is on the Klingon Bird of Prey's actual design. I think it was there I put it. No, there needs to be 3, so this goes right here actually. Okay, so that goes there, and now we need, okay, so okay. I'm just trying to get an idea of how everything is, because it is a bit of a pattern to remember, but as long as I remember it, anyway, I think this actually is moved up one. Yes, it is moved up one. Same thing with the opposite side, here, and then we just need a tile 1x2 to go here, and same on the opposite end, not like that, but like that. You need 3 green, 1, 2, 3, and then 1, 2, 3, like that. Am I right? I am correct already. Okay, we're going to need a tile 1x2, 1x1. Was this in the previous step? Yes, that was in the previous step. Okay. So we need 4 1x2s, 1x1 red tiles, and 1 green 1x2. Wait, is this one in this step as well? Okay, yeah, this, and we actually need 2 green tiles. So one here and one here. Okay. I almost forgot where that started, but hey, we're not doing that one right now. Wait, did I mess that up? I did. It needs to go right here. Put that there, and I'm going to do the same thing right now on the opposite side. And there, like so. Then we need red. Let me just remind myself again exactly where. Okay. Okay, we needed one more apparently, my bad. But hey, at least I'll fix it next. And that goes there. You, there, and then there. And then one more green, 1x2. 1x1, I mean. And then we'll be done. With this step at least. Alrighty. So we're going to need 2 tiles 1x2. Well, really 3 1x2 tiles with 2 green, 1 green, 2 red, a couple 1x1s. 1 in red and a couple in green, and then a 1x4 and a 1x8. Okay, now let's get that. Now let's add this on. Okay, that goes there. Yes, I was having a bit of hesitation because I almost forgot. My brain's not as good as I'd like it to be some days. That goes here, and then this goes right here. And then we need you to go here and here like that. And then we do the green 1x2 here. I know I'm kind of jumping the gun, but as long as I get that done, if I can get this done real quick, then that is perfect. And then we have the green in there as well. Like that. Oh, wait, actually, one more needs to go right here. And here. Like so. 2 1x4s and a 1x8. Right? Yeah. So 1x4 will go right. Green 1x4. Let me grab the green. Let me grab it in a position that'll be cooperative with me. Like that. And then we add the red. 1x4. By 4. Yes. Okay. I need to remember that. 1x8. That and like that, and that is how that should look like so far. The wing is practically done. Now I just have to add the guns that are on the wings, but then we'll be all done. Okay, so we need 4 clips and 4 hinge plates, and I'll come back later and I'll check to see what the hinge value is for me to rotate it at. Modified. It is in there. Let me just add the one with the bar, this one. Here and here, here and here. Now let me get the hinge values. This is 345. Okay, that's supposed to be 345 as well, so let me just do 345 as well here. Alrighty, and that is the basis for the guns I will be building off of. Okay, so we need a tile 1x4, tile 2x2, and 1x2. We'll need a brick 1x4 with studs on the opposite side, and a light and a headlight as well. Let's do it this way. And this. Okay, no, it's the opposite way around. Not like that, D. We don't need to delete the plate. The brick, I mean. That attaches onto there. This attaches onto there. And we need 1x2s to go there and there. Well, not exactly where this one's on, because this one's kind of impossible to do. You go there, and then we need a 1x3. That goes there, and then we just need headlight. Headlight. Brick. Like so. That is the basis for the guns, and then now you can't do this in green, but you can definitely do this in gray. 6.6L with stop ring and a cone 1x1 round. Now I'm going to do something a little, I'm just going to do this kind of like off to the side, and I'll show you what I mean. So I'll put that there and this here for a quick second, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab from bar, was it the patio one or the other one? Okay, it's the umbrella one, okay. Okay, that goes on like that, and then we take it, and that attaches onto there. And there you go, folks. There is your Klingon Bird of Prey. So, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I enjoyed making it for you guys. Please remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on notifications. Check out my friends on Rise. Link is in the description down below, as always. Also, comment down below what you'd like to see in the future. I'd love to hear your suggestions. If you've not already, hit the subscribe button. Almost all of you who watch my videos are not subscribed. That is, I can prove that with the analytics. But, yeah, it'd be great if you could hit the subscribe button. Also, turn on notifications if you so choose, because that way you'll get to be notified when new videos of mine come out. Along with checking out DK Film Podcast, episode 4 will be out later this week, along with my social medias. Check those out as well. Twitter and Discord are the best places where you can find me. And yeah, this is Dan from DKBrickStudios signing off. Remember the Force, and the Force is yours. I'll see you all in the next video. Chasing the dark from the night. Trust in your feelings and find a new hope. Take your best shot.